Hi, this is Michelle. Welcome to my channel. First off, I would like to thank everyone that watches, that subscribes, that likes my videos. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. I would also like to thank all of my subscribers that have stuck with me. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded new content. I will try to be more consistent with uploading or bringing you new content. I would also like to welcome my new subscribers. Thank you very much for joining, and let's get to the video. What I'm doing today is just doing an outfit of the day. Today is a beautiful day. It's about mid-80s, Monday. So I just have on just a white button-up. Purchased this from H&M a couple of years ago, so I doubt that this same shirt is still available, but H&M always has a bunch of white button-ups to choose from, so I'm sure you can, if this is something that you're looking for, I'm sure you can find it there, and if not there, plenty of other stores that offer this type of shirt. And then my jeans, my shorts are from Gap. These are the Ootd denim shorts in the lighter wash. This has the 5-inch inseam, so I like this length, you know, because they're not too short, but they're not too long. So this is, when I get shorts or when I order shorts, this is the inseam that I go for. I used to go for like a 4.5, but now 5 inches is what I'm looking for. And then I just have on my Old Navy rubber thong sandals or slides. Of course, you can get these from Old Navy. Usually they have a sale on these, like the end of spring, beginning of summer. They mark them down to like $2. Sometimes they even do them for $1. I have like 4 pair of these, and these are just a neutral pair of thongs. I know a lot of people don't like the thong type of sandal, but I love them. They don't bother my feet, you know. I absolutely love them. And, you know, just for a casual outfit like this, you know, for me it's perfect. Of course, I have a lot of other sandals, but for some reason, these are the ones that I always go for. But, you know, super cute. And I like the fact that they are a nude, so they go with everything. And I meant to show you the bag. Let me get the bag that I am carrying. The bag that I am carrying is my Coach City Tote. Let me come forward. Coach City Tote. I believe it is the Varsity Edition. It's a long name for this particular bag, but it is really, really nice. I was thinking about getting a Neverfull MM in the Damier Bean, but of course those are so expensive, even pre-loved, and you know, so I said instead let me just get this. Got it from Coach Outlet at a really good price, pretty close to like $100. Of course the straps are leather, and I believe the interior is leather, which is not offered on the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. So pretty nice, pretty nice. No feet, just notice that. No feet, but this is a great bag. I live in New Jersey, and we now have to they no longer offer shopping bags when you go into the supermarket, so I always have to keep shopping bags on me, and that's the reason why I carry that tote, because I can get everything in there. And let me just show you what it looks like on me. So it's a nice size tote. I'm going to do a video on this, you know, just for anyone who is also interested in something similar, you know, show what fits and all of that. But super nice tote, lightweight, and like I said, it holds all of my items. I had seen, I'm always on Pinterest looking for, you know, different types of outfits, and one of the people that I follow on Pinterest, they always wear shorts or post outfits with shorts and button-ups, and I just think it looks so cute. I think it almost elevates the shorts a bit when you you know, tuck in the front and pair it with a button up. So I think this looks really nice. Like I said, simple, neutral outfit, comfortable, which is what I'm all about. So that is my outfit for today. I thank you so much for watching. Again, I will try to post videos more often, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.